The job description of a quality engineer centers on ensuring that products, services, and processes meet consistent standards of quality and efficiency. Quality engineers play a crucial role in manufacturing, engineering, software development, and other sectors where precision and compliance are vital. Their primary goal is to identify and eliminate defects, prevent errors, and promote continual improvement in the quality of outputs, all while meeting regulatory and customer expectations. Quality engineers operate at the intersection of engineering and quality assurance. They work closely with production teams, design departments, and management to define quality benchmarks, develop testing protocols, and implement control systems. Whether evaluating raw materials, inspecting finished goods, or auditing internal systems, they bring a detail-oriented and methodical approach to quality management. At the core of the job description of a quality engineer is a commitment to excellence. These professionals are not only responsible for verifying quality but also for fostering a culture of improvement, risk awareness, and accountability throughout the organization. Primary responsibilities of a quality engineer. One of the fundamental duties of a quality engineer is to design and implement quality control processes. This includes establishing inspection criteria, selecting measurement tools, and creating documentation procedures to assess whether products and services comply with established standards. These processes are often aligned with frameworks such as ISO 9001, Six Sigma, or industry-specific regulations. Quality engineers perform root cause analysis to identify the origin of defects or inconsistencies. When issues arise during production or in the field, it is the responsibility of the quality engineer to investigate the problem, determine its cause, and recommend corrective and preventive actions, CAPA. This helps ensure that similar issues do not recur and that processes are strengthened over time. Another key responsibility is conducting audits, both internal and external. Internal audits verify compliance with quality management systems, while external audits may be carried out in collaboration with vendors, suppliers, or regulatory agencies. Quality engineers prepare audit reports, suggest improvements, and work with stakeholders to resolve any non-conformances found. Quality engineers are actively involved in testing and validation. In manufacturing, they oversee the testing of components, assemblies, or final products for performance, durability, and safety. In software or IT environments, they may develop test cases, automate quality checks, and ensure code stability through regression and functional testing. They also support documentation and traceability. This includes maintaining records of tests, inspections, defect logs, and quality metrics. Accurate documentation is vital not only for internal tracking but also for legal compliance, customer reporting, and certification requirements. Collaboration with cross-functional teams is another critical aspect. Quality engineers work with design engineers during product development to incorporate quality into the initial concept. They may also collaborate with procurement teams to assess supplier quality or with production teams to refine manufacturing techniques for better consistency. Training and mentoring are often part of the role. Quality engineers may be responsible for educating teams on quality tools such as failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, statistical process control, SPC, or the 8D problem-solving method. By sharing best practices, they help embed quality into daily operations. Midway through this discussion, it is clear that the job description of a quality engineer spans technical assessments, system audits, team collaboration, and strategic process enhancements. They are vital players in delivering safe, reliable, and efficient outcomes across industries. Essential skills and qualities for the role. Analytical thinking is central to quality engineering. The ability to dissect problems, interpret data, and draw logical conclusions enables quality engineers to identify trends, assess risks, and implement effective solutions. Attention to detail is crucial. Even small deviations can lead to significant consequences in fields such as aerospace, pharmaceuticals, automotive, or electronics. Quality engineers must be meticulous when evaluating processes, testing products, and documenting results. Proficiency in statistical and quality tools is expected. Quality engineers often use software like Minitab, JMP, or Excel for statistical analysis, control charts, and process capability studies. Familiarity with Six Sigma methodologies or lean principles can greatly enhance their effectiveness. Problem-solving ability sets top quality engineers apart. They must respond quickly to quality issues, develop practical solutions, and drive improvements without disrupting production or compromising safety. Strong communication skills are essential. Quality engineers must prepare clear reports, explain complex concepts to non-engineers, and influence teams to adopt quality standards. Whether interacting with suppliers, production staff, or executives, effective communication builds alignment and cooperation. Technical knowledge of the industry they serve is a valuable asset. For example, a quality engineer in a pharmaceutical company needs to understand good manufacturing practices, GMP, while one in the automotive industry should be familiar with PPAP, Production Part Approval Process, and IATF 16949 standards. Adaptability is another key trait. Quality engineers often work in dynamic environments where priorities shift quickly. Being flexible and able to adjust methods or tools in response to new challenges helps maintain quality standards in evolving contexts. Integrity and independence are essential. Since quality engineers sometimes need to report issues that may affect timelines or costs, they must be honest, objective, and resilient in upholding standards, even under pressure. Work environment and challenges. Quality engineers may work in factories, laboratories, corporate offices, or even remotely, depending on the nature of their role. In manufacturing, they are typically present on the shop floor to monitor production and oversee inspections. In software or tech environments, they may work in collaboration with developers and testers in agile teams. The role often requires multitasking and managing numerous quality initiatives simultaneously. Meeting deadlines while maintaining rigorous standards can be stressful, especially during audits or product launches. Challenges include managing resistance to change. When quality engineers recommend new processes or identify flaws, they may face pushback from departments focused on speed or cost. Persuasion, negotiation, and team-building skills help overcome such resistance. Keeping up with regulatory changes is another ongoing task. Industries like healthcare, defense, or electronics evolve rapidly, and quality engineers must stay informed to maintain compliance and competitive edge. Despite the pressure, many quality engineers find the role deeply rewarding. They contribute directly to product excellence, customer satisfaction, and organizational reputation, while also building skills that are valued across the global economy. Educational requirements and career path. Most quality engineer roles require a bachelor's degree in engineering, industrial engineering, mechanical engineering, or a related field. Some positions may accept degrees in science or quality assurance, depending on the industry. Certifications such as Certified Quality Engineer, CQE, from ASQ, Six Sigma Green or Black Belt, or ISO Lead Auditor credentials enhance employability and demonstrate professional commitment. Entry-level roles may include quality technician, inspector, or associate quality engineer. With experience, individuals can advance to roles such as senior quality engineer, quality manager, compliance officer, or even director of quality assurance. Continuing education, leadership development, and specialization in areas like reliability engineering or regulatory compliance can open further opportunities for growth and recognition. Conclusion. The job description of a quality engineer outlines a vital role in ensuring that processes and products meet the highest standards. From technical inspections to systemic audits and team training, these professionals work diligently to uphold quality, safety, and efficiency. For individuals who are analytical, process-oriented, and passionate about continuous improvement, the quality engineer role offers a dynamic and fulfilling career. In a world where standards are rising and customer expectations are high, quality engineers remain essential to innovation, trust, and sustainable success.